Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today wanted to go through to see if there's any setups for both crypto and forex here with the great Motive Wave trading platform that you're looking at. So let's check out the latest opportunities in the world of crypto. Okay, so right now you're looking at crypto. These are the open charts a few days ago before I shut down the system for whatnot. We are using, if you remember, Ichimoku entries and volatility stops for the exits. We can also rely on the Ichimoku stops. It just depends upon which stop comes first for exit, the Ichimoku or the volatility stop. So right now we have XMR, BTC open, LSK, BTC, and BNB Ethereum. Those are the latest opportunities. So you can see here an opportunity has come out with BNB Ethereum. Another one here. We got an exit, two exits actually. Also, oh sorry, that's LSK, BTC. BNB had a dip, came back, and then XMR, BTC as well. Up until December 24th, today's 26th. 24th had a very slow day where crypto wasn't doing all that hot. But let's see where we're at right now in the world of Motive Wave crypto. This is using Coin Compare. So what we're looking for here is, okay, so we got lots of green here. We just flipped it on, so you can see here Ethereum Classics come back, Waves has come back, EOS come back, ADA, USDT, BCH, Ethereum's up a little bit, Tron USDT, LTC, BCH again. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take notes of these, so please bear with me. We got a lot of charts to look at because it is an update, and despite what you read about Bitcoin. So we have Ethereum, BTC, we have Waves, BTC, we have EOS, ESD, USD, probably won't look at that, ADA, USDT, okay, BCH, USD, I'm not going to look at that, EOS, BTC, I'm only looking at the crypto right now, Tron, TRX, USDT is possible because we talked about that a few days ago, ADA, Ethereum, ADA Ethereum I can look at, and Ethereum against Bitcoin. Okay, so we'll look at these batch right now. I'm also going to do a quick scan here. So let me close out all these charts here. Now apparently there's a new version of good old Motive Wave out. Just came out a few days ago. We're up to 6.11. If you don't know, Motive Wave's having its sale right now over at motivewave.com. You can also go to my site, quantlabs.net, switch up or go to the button or menu option for Motive Wave, and that will take you to the sale right on the main site. Okay, so we're going to look at the scan here. Before I continue, if you are interested in these sort of topics, just come on over to the quantlabs.net/book to sign up. Also, I have a very cheap DVD product right now. It's only available on the website. Same content, no, it's only $10. quantlabs.net/DVD. You can just do the PayPal. They'll give you 2-hour videos of Motive Wave, including 1 hour for non-programmers, another one for programmers on studies and strategies, and another half-hour video for building out forex bots that includes the source code as well, and source code walkthroughs. Okay, back to the Motive Wave. Okay, so what we're going to do is we've got 32 assets you can see here. We're scanning them right now. We're only going to focus only on long-only opportunities, meaning the price target has to be higher than the current price, and we'll do an assessment if those are worth pursuing as well. So it takes a couple of seconds to get this scan done. We'll also take a look at forex as well later on after this, but right now it looks like the world of crypto is doing pretty good, especially on that Ethereum Classic. Okay, so let me get all those. So right now under charts here in the charts page, I like to keep everything here so we have no charts open. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up not only the chart, I'm going to apply the latest template with the Ichimoku and the good old what do we call the template for the volatility stop. I'll also provide all of the analytics files that you see here in the charts available right away for Quant Analytic members, and able to get the exact setups you have here and track them in your own motive wave. Okay, so hopefully we'll get those all applied right now. So let's get to those. Okay, so what we're going to do here, as I said, we're first going to look at ETC, BTC, which was the best performer so far. About a week ago, this pair did quite well. 15-minute chart. Going to apply that new template I put together a few years ago. About a few days ago. So here's the itchy volatility stop with the email alerts. So that will be applied now. Come under here, file as. I've talked about this using the repository feature. So once I do the save to, right now it's now available. So every time I do that save to, that file is now available to my analytic members. So the next one we're going to look at is waves against BTC. So you can see here we missed this huge move. That's okay. Patterns always seem to be on the up and up. So we'll look at that. Waves, BTC. See here it increment up. So here we're going to apply that same template as well as the file, the analysis file. There you go. Now we're doing ADA USDT. This one I don't put a lot of confidence in, but for now I'll put this out there for those that might be interested. So we have ADA USDT. So we got that looking pretty good for now. Let's look at the template. Okay, so that's an alert right away. So that alert, that signal will get sent out to anybody on the analysis that's signed up for the signals as well. It's another big feature of the analytics membership. So here we go. There's another file just made available. Okay, so we're doing more EOS and BTC. EOS and BTC, here we go. Okay, so we got some nice moves there. Okay, so we'll make this available. Boom. Okay, so that's gonna enable the signals now. So we go save to, that analysis file is now available. So here's another hot one lately. It's TRX USDT. TRX USDT, which is Tether. Okay. Wow, here goes another signal out. Okay, so we'll apply that. Boom, you see that email is coming in now. Here's another one. There's a signal there. So these are up and running now since I did shut it down for Christmas. This file will be now available. Again, this is Tron against US Tether. Next available is Ethereum against BTC. Let's try this. This one I don't get too excited about. ETC, BTC, okay. You can see that big bar move there. Okay, Ichi, boom, and save to, boom. Okay, so that analysis file is available. We have one more ADA against Ethereum. So I'll go over what we've just opened up and applied templates for with the signals for the next few hours. Look at these big moves. Okay, another one just got signal generated. It's going to be busy today. All right, so let's go through the charts. Analysis files are available as well right away in the analysis and analytics members. ETC, BTC, that's the big one. We have Waves, BTC, that looks like it's going to move up again. ADA against Ethereum, that has come off. But according to the Ichi, it's going to continue to move up. EOS, BTC looks like it's going to continue to move up. Tron against USDT, not as strong, more signals. Ethereum against Bitcoin also looks really, well, not as strong, but we'll keep an eye on that. Let's go over to the forex now is available. Let's do that. Excuse me. Woo! Excuse me. Wow. Live on Facebook and YouTube. That makes me look good. Okay, how is our... Well, let me just go into the charts and see what we got here on the watch list. Okay, so we do have the Australian pairs doing pretty good. US pairs, not so much. GBP pairs look fairly strong as well. Euro, not so much. Canadian pairs looking good. Okay, so we have some good movements in forex as well. So let me, wow, those look pretty good. So I'm going to do the typical scan. We'll start with that, and we'll get these charts available as well open. So again, same idea as before with the scanning. As you know, we can definitely do, shorts, but right now we just focus on longs. Once we know we got the patterns. One thing I need to put out there is that I will be looking at VWAP. There's a lot of that buzz the last few days for VWAP, and I didn't know, but VWAP is mean reverting, so that's even more reason to use it. All the strategies I've been using lately have been trending or momentum based, and usually, and I can say this without any doubt, that you usually have about a 50% win ratio with momentum trending strategies. Meanwhile, mean reverting can give you about an 80% win ratio. So I might start looking at those. Okay, so here we go. Here's our scan results. We've done 44 pairs. Okay, so let's look at what we have here. Again, I don't really care about the expensive Scandinavian, the Australian, Canadian. It looks like it's overreached. Looks pretty good though. But the target, it's above target. Euro USD, not much there. That's shorting. Euro Japanese yen, that's shorting. Europe against the there's a signal for waves against BTC. Back to forex. Euro against Swiss franc, not exciting. DKK, no. Euro against the Australian dollar. Lots of activity here in the crypto right now. GBP against the Australian. Again, no. USDKK. That Canadian CHF looks pretty good. Let me just mark that down. I don't think we'll get a lot, but long term that may become an interesting pair to watch. All right, so let's go back to our watch list. Okay, these are the ones that are hopping right now. We have what do we have here? Canada Japanese yen, Canada CHF, which we already identified. Those are looking pretty good. So let me do the same thing as before, apply a template and the signaling. But boy, this I haven't seen this jump like this in a while. Okay, so we'll load up the chart. Sorry. So we are looking at Canada Japanese yen. Yeah. Okay, we're going to apply that template that when I've talked about the Ichimoku and the volatility stop for the exit. Okay, so we are going to apply that and do the same thing Okay, there you go. That's a nice, look at that. Canada, Japanese yen looks really, really good. Save to, boom. Okay, so that's now available, that file. Okay, so what else are we looking at here? I am going to look at quite a few charts here. Okay, so Euro USD is not looking too good. GBP, I gotta tell you, man, they're looking pretty good. A good chunk of them. We have GBP, let's say GBP Japanese yen, GBP against Australian dollar, and GBP against the franc. Okay, so those look good, and the other ones was the Australian. So that was Australian Japanese yen, and the Australian franc, and somewhat the USD. Okay, those are quite a few charts there. So what we're going to do, back in the charts page. So now we're going to add a couple of more charts here. So right now we're going to add Canadian, Canada CHF. Wow, looking good, folks. Looking pretty good. Depends what happens in the markets tomorrow. Template applied, as well as we have ourselves the good old analysis files now available. Okay, let's get some more pairs up here. So we got a lot of GBP. Okay. So we're going to add in GBP Japanese yen. Okay. Apply the template. And then make those files available to whoever wants them that are Quant Analytic members. This is one of the big features of this thing, man. I hope you're taking advantage of this. So we just did so we're now going to do the GBP against the Australian dollar. GBP OUD. Okay, let's get that done. Some of these will have to be checked upon in the next few hours. But I have to admit, these are pretty impressive. This one's not so strong. Okay, so we're not going to do GBP against the Australian. GBP against the Japanese yen looks somewhat good. And then GBP against the franc. GBP CHF. I'll still apply this template. We might have missed this opportunity. There was not much opportunity there, but the previous pairs look really good. But you never know how it plays out for tonight. Now, the next one we're doing is all Australian. So we're doing Australia against Japan. Those signals are coming in fast and furious. Australian against the Japanese yen. Okay, Australian against the yen. Wow, that looks pretty good, man. Template. Done. And now analytics file. Done. Okay, so that was Australian Japanese. Australia against, I'm sorry, that was the Australian Canadian. So we're doing the Australian CHF. No, we are. Okay. There's a lot of charts here. Australian against CHF. This one won't be as strong, so this might not even get applied. Actually, I will definitely apply that. But we definitely have missed out on this. But we can still hopefully take advantage of this. Okay, last one. Australia gets the US. Australian against the US. Wow, these are really nice run-ups. Okay, and then save that analysis file. Boom, so we're done. Okay, so let's do a recap of what we've got here. We have Canadian against the Japanese yen, Canada against the Swiss franc, we have the New Zealand USD, Australian Canadian, Euro against the GBP. I'm going to close that actually. Canada against the Japanese yen, Canada against the Swiss franc, GBP against Japanese yen. That might be given up. Same with the GBP against the Swiss franc. This one has a nice run up. Australia against the Japanese yen. Australia against the Swiss franc is the same. And lastly, Australia against the US dollar. Looking good. Okay, so those are the forex. So let's go over to crypto. So again, this is what we've got. ETC against BTC. Waves against BTC. We had a big drop there. Who knows? That might generate maybe a signal. Looks like we got some sell signals here. ADA against USDT. EOS against BTC. Tron against USDT. But there's a sell there. Ethereum against BTC. Okay, so that's what we have available for the crypto. Hopefully I'll help you out. All the analysis and templates have been applied. We shall talk to you soon. Happy trading, and hopefully you take advantage of those signals that this may hopefully generate, and I'll check in maybe in the next few hours. Over and out. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.